This is Ride News Now. I'm Alison Haislip. Here's the latest in all things mobility. Technology can be great, at least until pesky humans come and spoil the party. That's what happened with an electric car sharing network in England, which was forced to shut down after its fleet of EVs was repeatedly targeted by vandals. Based outside the city of Birmingham, eCar was launched only last December and included 18 Renault Zoe EVs, a tiny and city-friendly hatchback with a driving range of more than 150 miles. In case you're unfamiliar with car share programs, users book a car through a smartphone app, retrieve it, and keep it for as long as they need, from an hour to several days. Things hit a roadblock when the on-demand rentals were repeatedly vandalized. eCar wouldn't say exactly what happened to its fleet, but the damage was severe enough that eCar shuttered its entire operation. Some people just want to watch the world burn. Come on, everyone, let's learn how to play nice and share those electric cars. Rumors swirled years ago that Apple was interested in buying Tesla, but it never happened. Last week, we learned, however, that back in 2013, the two companies flirted with talks of a takeover. According to CNBC's Squawk Box, Elon Musk met with Apple chiefs that year to discuss a buyout at $240 per share, $50 more per share than Tesla stock is trading for today. The deal reportedly went south when Apple brass broke the news that if it were to buy the car brand, Musk would have to go. Sounds like that flirting was a little one-sided. Now, Elon obviously didn't take too kindly to Apple's demand that he depart and killed contract talks. So, what about now? Could Apple still be interested in Tesla? Given the pure electric automaker's troubled finances, a deal today might be more appealing to Tesla shareholders. However, in the intervening years, Apple has made strides with its own self-driving car technologies, so it might not need Tesla and its provocative tweet-prone CEO to compete in the car market. Robocop fans rejoice, a real-life robot police officer is officially in the works. Well, sort of. SRI International just unveiled a genius contraption called the Go-Between that could save lives at traffic stops. Check it out. This invention, which can only be described as the Rube Goldberg machine of traffic stops, uses a robotic mechanism attached to a police car to confront the pulled-over driver. The officer can communicate via the robot from the safety of his or her driver's seat. It's a great idea until you realize, well, what happens if they just take off? I mean, does the robot chase after them? Because to me, it looks like the officer can't do anything about it because he's just, like, stuck there.
A spike strip in front of the car, and then they can't leave.
Oh, well, that makes sense. I'd buy that for $1. For more tech news, join us over at ride.tech and be sure to follow us at RideTechNews on your social platform of choice.